What's up, viewers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Guys, today we're out on the F850 GS again, but it's gonna be a very special vlog. You're gonna be seeing a bike which is very unique, and there's hardly, I think, 8 or 9 bikes in India. No, it's not the Kawasaki ZX-10 RR. It is another bike, guys. Just wait and watch, and you'll fall in love with that bike. A very good friend of mine, he is on his way, and more about the bike later after he comes. The meeting time was 6:30. I'm 10 minutes early. It's better to be early than late, so that's why I'm here near Esteem Mall. Usually this is the place where all the Sunday meetups happen initially, and then they all disperse from here. See, there are a couple, not a couple, there's a huge group of riders on the other side. So let's call him and ask him where he is. Ali Vlogs. Hi bro.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, I'm near Esteem Mall.
Oh, okay, coming. 5 minutes, I'll be there.
Yeah bro, okay. And yeah, I hope you will love this video. There's 2 riders on the Hyosung. They're not wearing their helmets and they're going in such a busy highway. No, they shouldn't do like that. Okay, finally after 1 hour, we came at 6:20. Now it is 7:18. 1 hour. So anyways, guys, they're behind me now. The bike which you have to see is right behind me. We are going ahead because we can have a nice flyby video. About the bike, I told that there's only 8 or 9, but there's only 2 or 3 bikes in the entire country. Imagine that. 2 or 3 bikes, that's all, guys. So when there's an empty stretch, we can see the bike. No, it's not that. Not even that. Today is a Sunday, so many bikers. And unfortunately, I forgot to get the screw for this mount, so I'm not able to put the second GoPro here. I thought there was a screw installed, so I forgot that I'd removed it. So no secondary view, only the main GoPro view. So those 2 bikes are also going to join us, the 2 Hayabusas. And this bike also should be coming behind. Oh. There you go, that's the bike. Oh my god. So it has an SC Project exhaust. The only thing I miss about my bike is the exhaust note. Did you see that? Were you able to see the bike? Let's go ahead and let's hear another flyby. That is crazy. That sound, my god. The inline 4 is a beast, guys. The inline 4 sound exhaust note is amazing. No other exhaust note can beat that. That's a nice sounding bike. That is the Kawasaki H2 Carbon Edition. So that's the bike. We're going to probably NH7 or Nandi Upachar, we still don't know. So my bike is going to be in the last, obviously. Theirs is a Super Sport, mine is an ADV. So obviously we are going to be in the end. More flybys, more flybys. That's a supercharged engine, 998cc, 231 horsepower. And damn, look at that. He's also vlogging, guys. Like I told, he has a YouTube channel, the Ali Vlogs. He has some pretty interesting content, and especially with the H2, not many bikes in the country. I'll leave the links in the description below. And if you haven't done so, do subscribe to my channel also if you want to see such cool bikes. We were planning this from a very long time, and finally we got the opportunity to do a small collab for you today. Guys, I hope you can hear the exhaust note. I'll remove the helmet visor. I'll open up the helmet visor, sorry. Maybe you can hear it now, but there will be a little wind noise. This is the Bumblebee Hayabusa. It's got the Brox exhaust. This is one of my favorite colors. This and the blue color. These two are my favorite colors in the Hayabusa. Oh, boom. And guys, finally we are near NH7. We came here because there was nobody else. A couple of other interesting bikes. That's the Ninja 1000, and here he's Ali, the owner of the Kawasaki Ninja H2 Carbon Edition. So bro, when did you get the bike?
It's been 6 months, I think.
Oh, just 6 months? I thought more than a year. Okay. But that's a crazy looking bike, bro. Really nice. So
We've been planning to meet from 3 months, I think.
yeah, more than 3 months. That's what I was telling on the way. We've been planning from a really long time, and finally,
This was a sudden plan.
yeah, sudden plan. Just tell us about the channel, bro.
My channel name is the Ali Vlogs. I'm a very small vlogger.
No, guys, he has
Channel-
close to 16,000 subscribers,
I'm
not a
not
small.
regular. That is
Yeah,
the problem.
that's
I'm
the
not
main
regular.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's got close to 16,000 subscribers. That's not a small channel by
It's a
any
very
means.
small channel.
So the thing is, we have to be consistent. that's
Very
all.
consistent on YouTube. We are working hard on YouTube now, but hopefully catch a mile. I will reach on that place one
Bro,
day. Yeah.
I also have many other milestones.
That was very
to reach.
soon. That was within 1 year.
Yeah,
But I've
within
been
1 year.
taking a lot of time.
Okay.
Vlog ही नहीं करता हूँ. This is my bike.
It takes time, that's all. So guys, this is the Kawasaki H2, and before we show the bike, this is the key. It's similar to the ZX10 RR key,
Yeah.
but it has the Kawasaki Heavy Industries logo.
Correct.
So this is the Kawasaki Heavy Industries logo, and it goes on very, very few bikes. And coming to the details, I think I've already told 231 horsepower, 141 Newton meters of torque, I think. And it's a supercharged engine. And like you can see here, so this is a supercharged engine, and it's got the race fit exhaust.
Yeah.
I thought it was the SC project.
The race fit
Okay,
exhaust.
The race fit exhaust, but it has the catalytic converter,
Correct.
so the sound is not crazy loud, but it's decent enough. And this is a carbon fiber. As you can see, this is complete carbon fiber, and it's got a unique paint job, guys. Other bike in this paint scheme. What's this color called?
Silver metallic
Silver
paint.
metallic.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the unique paint. Matlab, you won't get it anywhere else.
Okay.
Only in the showroom.
Only.
Yeah.
Okay. So the couple of accessories are the frame sliders and the zero gravity windscreen and the race fit exhaust. That's pretty much it, right?
Yeah, that is all you want on this bike.
Actually, you don't need anything else. Everything comes with the bike. It has the steering damper from the factory, and a quick shifter and auto blipper, right?
Yes, it's
Up
a
and down
auto blipper for 2017 above.
Okay.
So previous versions are there. It is only
Only the quick
shifter.
So this is which year?
This is a 2018, 17-18 model.
17.
Yeah.
So it has both the quick
Both
shifter
auto
and
blipper, everything.
Okay.
They are, I think there are only 2 or 3 bikes. Yeah. Now they have come.
Edition, the carbon edition.
The carbon edition is 2 bikes.
2 bikes.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me show you the dash now. Guys, in fact, this is the first time that I am, not the first time, second time that I am seeing a H2. Let's turn it on. Okay. Oh wow. Wow, there's so many things, so many lights here. I don't know what they are. There's so many things, bro.
You just only when you on it,
Yeah.
you can see these lights.
Oh my god, there's
The rest
so
of
many.
the time it's off.
So there's a high beam, there's a engine malfunction indicator, low fuel indicator, ABS, Kawasaki traction control. I think this is the stability control. There's an umbrella symbol also.
Yeah, that's the rain mode.
Okay.
So when you press the button over here, it comes on a umbrella mode. That's
There
the
you
rain
go.
mode.
They have an umbrella symbol for showing the rain mode.
So
That's
it's
pretty
basically, when you put it on the rain mode, it cuts 50% of the power.
So 231 horsepower becomes 115
Yeah,
horsepower
something
something.
like that.
Okay.
And you don't feel the power at all. It is very good to ride on the city itself. When you're on the highway, you just put it on the race mode and it is flying on the highway.
So you always ride it in the race mode or?
No, in the city, I'm always in the rain mode because
Okay.
I don't want to open the throttle and rush inside some car or a bike.
Okay,
So I
okay.
always ride it in the
But the power is predictable, right? You can, you
in
know
the
when.
rain mode, it is very, very light.
Okay.
You don't feel like a 1000cc, you feel like a 600cc actually.
And another interesting thing that Ali mentioned was when you put it in the rain mode, the exhaust note
Yeah,
also
we can
reduces
show
a little.
that.
Okay.
You can on the bike.
Guys, I'll turn on the bike later on. Before that, I'll tell you a few other things. So, any other interesting details in this?
So I think,
It's got a fuel gauge.
It doesn't have a fuel gauge.
My god, I don't know why Kawasaki does this. Even in the 10RR, there was no fuel gauge. So, when there's low fuel, the fuel indicator lights up.
That's all.
Okay. And what's the fuel economy, bro? That's a very, very, most
deti hai,
asked
na?
question. Yeah, kitna deti hai?
So the mileage comes up to 6 or 7, the least.
Least is 6 or 7.
6 and 7. Even if you're opening on the highway, it gives 6 max.
Okay.
So the fuel is very bad. Because
And you need to fill in Shell power fuel or
Shell power or octane.
95 octane. Let's turn on the bike and listen to the exhaust note. It's got a slightly different mechanism. So this is for killing the engine and this is... Oh, you have to pull it down. Push it down, sorry. So this is with the umbrella light on. Let's give a couple of small revs. The bike is shaking. Now let's put it in normal mode. We're gonna give Ali his bike back, guys. Enough of ripping the Kawasaki H2.